Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mercy and today we are going to learn how to draft a pencil skirt, and I have here the required measurement I'm going to use to construct this skirt, and that is the waist measurement of 32, waist to hip of 10, hip circumference of 42, skirt length of 24 and butt span of 4 inches. So if this is a video you are interested in learning, then let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share our videos. So I've already gone ahead to draw a rectangle here, and I used the biggest part of our measurement, which was the hip circumference, divided it by 2 and I got 21, and I added 2 to it and then I got 23 here. And then this is the skirt length of 24 inches. So we are now going to divide this rectangle into 2. So 23 divided by 2 will be 11.5 inches. So I have marked it here. So we mark it here and then mark it here 11.5, and then go here and mark 11.5 as well. Then we'll take in our ruler and connect the lines. So this is it. So we'll label this as our waist. This is our hemline. This will be our center back, CB, and this is going to be our center front measurement. So afterwards, I'm going to insert my waist to hip measurement, which I have here at 10. So I come in from the waist, measure 10 inches, center front as well 10, and the center back 10. Then I connect the lines. So we are going to take in our back span measurement of 4, and we come in from the center front as well and mark the 4. And we'll bring it down to the hip line, mark the 4 here, mark the 4 as well. Then we connect the lines. So from the center back, we are going to come in by 1/2 inch. So we go in by 1/2 inch here, mark, and then connect from that 1/2 inch to our hip line. Afterwards, we take in our dart of 0.75 on both sides, 0.75 here and 0.75 here, and come up from the hip measurement by 2 inches and mark. Then we draw in our dart lines. So this is it. Draw from here and mark. Then we go in from our center front and mark the 0.75 as well. So this is it. This is it. And we come in by 2 inches from the hip line as well and mark. Then we connect the lines. So the next thing to do is to input our waist measurement, which is waist 32. 32 divided by 4 is 8. So we start from here. We are going to cut this one out. So we have to start from this second line here, mark our 8, come in with our 8 inches, mark the 8 here, then add our dart of 1.5, we add it back and we mark it here. Then from there, our hip measurement we are working with is hip 42. 42 divided by 2 is 21. 21 divided by 2 is 10.5. So we mark our 10.5 here. Then we add an ease of 0.25. So this is it. So now our new line is going to be here, 0.25. Then we connect the lines from the waist to the hip measurement. Yeah. Go in from the center front as well, marking our hip measurement, which is 10.5 here. We added an ease of 0.25 to the center back, so we mark it here. So this is it. And then our waist measurement is 8. 8 is here. we add back our dart of 1.5. that is here. We take our ruler, then we connect the lines. So next we are going to subtract 2 from our hip measurement. The hip measurement we currently have is 10.75. It was 10.5. We added an ease of 0.25, making 10.75. So 10.75, we are going to minus 2. You can minus up to 3, 4, depending on how tight you want it to be. But for this skirt, I want to minus just 2. So we'll have 8.75. So we come in from our center front and mark this 8.75. So this is it. Mark it here. Then we bring in our rule. Then we connect the lines. Then for the center back, we are going to, this skirt is going to have a vent of 6 inches. So we'll come in from the hem, mark this 6 inches here. This is it. And then we'll go in by 0.5. So 0.5 is here. So from that 0.5 mark, we are going to connect back to our hip line. So this is it. Then our vent is going to be 1.5 inches. So 1.5 will be, this is it. 1.5 will be here. So taking our vent measurement of 1.5 is here. Then we connect the line. Connect the line this way. Connect it this way. Okay, so afterwards we measure what we have here. We have 8.75. We are going to come in from the center back this way. 8.75. And we mark it here. And we connect from the hip line to the hem. So this is it. Afterwards, we have to blend in these lines. We do not want sharp point on this block, so we blend it in. Make sure you do not have any sharp point. There it is. Just blend it in nicely. So the next thing is to shape the front of this skirt. So to do that, we are going to fold in this dart. So the first dart leg will touch the second. So after this, we are going to go down from the waistline by 1.5 inches and mark, and come in with our curve, still with our dart folded in. Come in with our curve. The curve should touch the waistline and touch that 0.5 mark. So this is it. We are done with the waist shaping. So currently I'm shading in all the areas that we are going to cut. So basically this is it for the center front, and this is it for the center back. I hope this was interesting. You learned something new and it was very simple to make. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing, and don't forget, we want to hear from you, so kindly comment, like and share this video. See you in our next video.